Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Karnataka. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant has to approach the respective mutual fund office. The application form will be obtained from the office and the applicant must fill in it with all the necessary information. The applicant should make sure to carry both photocopies and originals of the document mentioned under the required document section of this page. Needed document is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach the photocopy of Aadhaar card along with the application form before submitting it at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is submitted, concerned authority will process the application and the application status or process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. This entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the official website of the mutual fund office. Under the contact us option on the website, the applicant must check the official email address. They have to compose the email along with the mutual fund number and their Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual funds. The applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, the authority will check and process the application. Once the application is processed, the completed process will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. This procedure will take a week for completing. For applying through SMS, the applicant must type a message in the format of capital AD or LNK space applicant PAN space Aadhaar space Y. They have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the process is done, the applicant will receive an SMS regarding the successful completion. This entire process can be done within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.